This is our 2009 Toyota RAV na among pinangga. Bibi daw ni namo. Okay, this is our first mi usa 2008 Toyota Yaris. But yeah, we got this before even Jaden was born. So hubby is putting a new camera because this is old, so that means there's no camera in this car. So he ordered in Amazon. Now he put this on new. My rosary kami. This is the rosary that my hubby gave me before we got married. And this is when Pope visit Edmonton. It was given by the priest. So continue tayo. So yeah, ayun. So isa dito sa, is it two, Dad? Two of them?
Yeah.
So there's one in here. And see, ito pa yung mga kalat niya na yung mga gamit. And one is right here. So ongoing pa ang pagtaod sa akong banana. Is it gonna be seen out, Dad?
Yeah.
So is it gonna be blurry or something? Because this is like this is tinted. So tinted siya. Ayan yung camera para sa likod. This is useful because, you know guys, when there's a lot of barumbado drivers nowadays, so this can be, you know, this could help. Ayan. Ayan na siya. You know, it's almost winter time. Lugbog na. See the trees. So soon, I think maybe this week or whatever, next week, that's our summer tire. So it's getting cold now. In the morning it's like +6 or +4 degrees, so it's actually cold, so that'll be changed very soon with a winter tire. Winter tire is needed during, of course, winter time because it helps the traction of the ice when you drive. So ayan, it's actually chilly right now with I think +6 degrees. So naating sakyanan nga ning abot. So ayan, kasalukuyan, I think my daddy is finalizing it right now. Finalizing. Almost done, Daddy? Yeah. What suga? Ayan. And then we have basketball ting here for my son. Ting. Why net? Because it actually breaks with wear and tear of winter and summer, so walang net na. So ayan si Labi Dabi finishing it na. So after he's done, we're gonna see. So okay, we're not gonna wait because I'm pretty sure he's almost done. So, ito po yung isang baby niya, yung kanyang Dodge Ram. Alright. Ayan. I gotta go in because very cold na outside, guys. Yan, our weather is really nice, although it's cold na. Alright, thank you guys for watching.